Nag-check na kung totoo siya sabi na Atty. Chong. Ngayon pa lang, i-check nyo pa lang ngayon.
Medyo madami po yan.
Gano'n. So, it is too hard for Comelec to check. With all his machinery intact. Ang daming tao dyan. Hindi nila kaya basta i-check yung audit logs na yon na exposed noong August 1.
Hindi kasi pwedeng padalos-dalos ang sagot sa
okay. Well, siyempre, napakalit na opisina. Ilang milyon lang naman ang budget ng Comelec eh. They cannot just do that, no? We have to spend a year siguro. To check the raw audit logs. Okay, granting that is true. Still, ang question dito na malabong-malabo hindi pa sinagot ng Comelec. Alam niyo po, nakakaasar. Kami ordinaryong bumoboto, ha? Pero mo, May 9 pa lang ako bumoboto. May makina na nagtatransmit. At saka yung transmission yan, ang ginagamit niyang server galing sa isang presinto sa Ragay, Camarines Sur. Chinek ng Atty. Chong, nasa audit log. Sarado yung makinang yun. Bakit? Dapat buong Ragay, Municipality of Ragay, Camarines Sur, buong araw ng May 8, sarado dapat yun. Walang lalabas yun na transmission kasi hindi nakakonect sa kuryente, naka-off eh. Saan ang galing yung makina nag-transmit on May 8? Yun, kung sinagot ng Comelec yan at napaganda na sagot, talaga kung sasabihin ko kay Atty. Chong, mumurahin ko siya eh. Hindi. Biro mo, he caught my attention. I was busy in Pangasinan working in my little farm. Nung nagsalita siya, nagulat ako, May 8. Aba, talo pa natin ang Amerika. Ang Amerika, 10 minutes before election, transmitted ng votes. Tayo, before election, transmitted ng votes.
Naka-prepare.
Pero, yun ang inaasahan ko sa Comelec na sagutin nila yon. Sagutin nila yon. Huwag naman sanang babuyin, Mr. Jimenez. I always see you on television. And every time you speak, I listen to you because you speak well of patriotism, as if you really love your country. You love your country more than you love your family siguro. But first time, please, be truthful, be honest. Did the Comelec have any answer? Does the Comelec has any answer to this allegation of Atty. Chong? Please, if you have, you don't have to wait for a press conference. Publish it in the media. Okay, you will. Promise, you will answer that. Okay, no, please. Sinabi natin, narinig nyo ha? I hope the national media, the mainstream media is listening to me now. Sinabi ni Executive and Director James Jimenez, sasagutin nila yung alegasyon ni Atty. Chong na noong May 8 ay may transmission. Sasagutin nila. Not in TV, siguro, kahit nasa isang piece of paper, tabloid lang, newspaper, pwede na yun. Pwede na yun. Salamat, Mr. Jimenez. Hintayin ko yun. Ang pangalan ko, Troy Abitola. Please remember me. Ordinary voter from San Nicolas, Pangasinan. Hindi po ako opisyal ng bayan. Wala. Ordinaryong magsasaka. Farmer. Thank you.